Lee Ladkey, president of the Greater Lansing Convention and Visitors Bureau.
When a visitor comes into town, they immediately spend money directly with retailers and restaurants and hotels and transportation and a number of things that you would be surprised at. It's direct spending. You don't have to go through that elaborate economic formula to get to the other end of it. Tourism in our community is in the top 5 employers in terms of economic impact and jobs, and we felt it would be important to our community to understand not only that tourism impact, but how it works for our community. The actual number of visitors is very close to 5 million visitors, creating almost a $500 million economic impact to our community. It's an extraordinary number when you look at it in the collective. It creates collectively over 7,200 jobs associated with that tourism and hospitality market.
This message is brought to you by the Time Alliance and the Greater Lansing Convention and Visitors Bureau. Tourism works for all of us.